Don't you think that editing videos is very hard? And I'm not gonna lie, it's not sugar easy, but the problem is most of the videos you watch as a tutorial are always gonna teach you how to operate one single software. And with this video, I wanna teach you how to edit videos. Doesn't matter the software you use, doesn't matter. Maybe you wanna edit on your phone or in your iPad or computer. You can choose any methods that works better for you for edit, but follow this mindset that I'm gonna share today, because that's gonna open your head and open your mind for the video editing universe. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jamile Rodriguez and I'm a professional video editor for more than 6 years. And I know the struggles people usually go through when they're learning how to edit videos. I taught some of my friends and I saw their progress, and that's why I created this one mindset that is gonna change your problem with video editing. Video editing is exactly like making pottery, isn't it? Don't you get those weird videos you shot, you get everything together, is a weird mass of clay, and then you gotta put shape to it. So whenever you start editing your video, doesn't matter what software is, the first idea is bring your clay. Bring those unformed videos, everything you need to start to build your pottery. But not only that, not only the videos, maybe the music, text and logos, everything that is gonna be this unbuilt mass form of clay so you can start doing your pottery. And the second step is slowly shape it. I like to call this select. You're gonna start removing parts you don't like of this footage until you have some weird form that's gonna look like close to the video you want. And the same happens with pottery, is when you're slowly working on your clay and start to look something closer to what you want, but it's not there yet. And the third step is slowly start to organize your video in the order. Let's say you want a chronological in the order the facts that occur, or maybe you want something not chronological, maybe the end is in the beginning and the middle is in the end. You kind of just mix it around. You're basically organizing your clips in the order you want to go. And lastly, whenever you have your pottery form in the vase, in the shape you want it to be, that's when you add color, you add texture and effects. The problem I see with a lot of people learning video editing, they want to go for the effects, the color, making the vase looking pretty before making it to shape. So that's why that might sound very complicated to you. You're not seeing the video, you don't see the form. You just want to play with the tools, and that's not how it works. You gotta first get your messy clay and build you a form of a vase, so then you can play with effects. When I first understood this mindset and I apply on my workflow as a video editor, everything became very smooth, because you can start to work on your skills step by step. You don't need to just jump and say like, I don't know how to apply effects and make videos look cool, I don't know how to do coloring. No, first go to the first part, learn how to select, learn how to shape it. When you have the shape, that's when you play with the effects, and everything's gonna be super smooth. And the same you can apply with a cell phone. Let's say you import those videos to your phone, you have your clay, and then you start working to a first form, taking out parts you don't like. When you have just the solid piece you like, organizing order. When you have the order, then you apply effects, music, and all the things you like. Now, if you really like this analogy and you want to learn more about making videos, creating new ideas, and turning this into a business, I recommend you to watch this video. That's gonna share with you the perfect mindset to put you in this way and make you create more videos.